Hello. Continuing our tutorial for landlords using the Paybox landlord interface, we'll be looking at some of the device features. The first one is minimum duration. This is so that you can allow for your Paybox to turn on only when a certain amount of coins have been inserted and a certain amount of time has been reached. Another feature is setting a one-time fee, which you do by selecting one pulse and putting in the amount. And this now, people have to put in $25 into your machine one time to make it work. In addition to that, there's also an additional fee that you can add on top, $2, and you can also add a convenience fee, which will take care of any credit card transaction fees that are associated with using credit card transactions for your app-enabled devices. Thank you.